Hello guys, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. As you can see by the title of the video, I'm going to talk about the 5 stages that you're going to encounter in your trading career. So if you're not aware of these stages, there are actually 5 stages or 5 levels, whatever you can call them, that you will always encounter in your trading journey. So these 5 stages are stages that you have to level up as you go. So I'm going to go slowly so that I explain each and every single level to the fullest so that you understand. So you also get to understand by the end of this video which level you're currently at and how you can actually level up to the next level. So most people are not aware of these levels, and most people, they are not even aware of where they are in their trading journey. They're just trading, they're just doing their thing, but they don't even know where are they in their trading. So level number 1, which is mostly the basic foundation level where everyone comes in and starts at, it's actually what we call the unconscious incompetent level. The unconscious incompetent level, this is a level where you are losing money and you also don't know why and how you're losing the money. You're just new. Maybe you just heard that Forex trading pays. There is a lot of money in Forex trading. Maybe you just heard people talking, or you just have seen people on social media talking. Then you just come, you jump in, you don't know nothing, you know nothing, and already, let's say you found a real account and you are blowing everywhere. So there, you don't know what you're doing, you don't know how you're losing money, you don't know what is making you to lose money, you don't even know what's going on the charts themselves. So that's the first basic level 1. I feel like most people right now, most people will actually end up giving up quickly. They would have just gone through level 1. Then they pull out and say, hey, this thing is hard. Yet they were supposed to literally level up before deciding to even quit. So level 1, that's the most foundation basic level that we all start from. So after having passed level 1 now, you'll grow to a level which is level 2. Level 2 now, this is what we call the conscious competent. Conscious incompetent. You are still incompetent. Conscious incompetent. You are still incompetent. You are still losing money. But now you are beginning to wake up now, in the sense that you are beginning to see the reasons that have been making you to lose money. You are beginning to wake up and see some of the mistakes that you have been making to lose money. So they are now beginning to learn now. That's where the learning stage literally begins on level 2. That's where you start to learn about trading. You start to learn the basics about trading. What is this? What is a broker? What is this? What is a lot size? What is this? How do I buy? How do I sell? You are now beginning to sort of like understand how things are being done in the trading space. But you are still incompetent. You are still losing money. But at that level, at least you are beginning to have a little bit of knowledge. So most people also who give up in trading, that I've seen, who can easily give up in trading, they would have gone through level 1, and sometimes they can even go through level 2. Level 2 is still the basics. You're just being told Forex trading is buying and selling of currencies, blah, blah, blah. We have this, we have that. That's the basics. And that basic knowledge, it won't make you money. Technically, it won't even make you money. It's just basic knowledge that you just have to know that Forex trading is this, is that, is that, is that. So after having passed level 2, you have to jump now to level 3. Level 3, it's interesting now, because at level 3, things start to get more interesting, because level 3, that's what I can actually say, that's where you start to see money now. Even if it's still small, but you start to see profits now. Level 3, this is what we call the unconscious competent level, or unconscious competent stage. So in level 3 now, unconscious competent stage, this is a stage now where you are now competent now. You are now making money. You are now making profits on the charts. But as you are making profits now, there is still something now that you don't know. Remember, at level 1, you don't know why you are losing. You are losing at level 1 and also level 2. You are losing. Level 1, you are losing. You don't know why you are losing. Level 2, you are losing, but you don't know why you are losing. Level 3 now, you are winning, but you don't know how. You don't know the real thing that is making you to win. It's one thing to know how to lose, how not to lose. It's another thing to know how to win. Those are 2 different subjects, two different syllabuses. So at level 3, you are basically at what we call you're an unconscious competent trader. You are winning, but you don't know how you are winning. If someone right now can even ask you, how did you win that trade? You might not even explain to the full, you might not even give us solid facts on how you even won that trade. Most people at level 3 are people who subscribe to signals, whereby the person just tells you, buy now, you buy, sell now, you sell, and you make profit, which is good. But at the end of the day, you are still not aware of what really, you can't say, I made profit on this trade because I was told to buy and sell. No, that's not what I'm talking about. We're talking about you knowing the real reasons why that market bought, how you made that profit. So most people, they are also still on level 3. And also, if you have noticed, many people who succumb to things like your robots, things like your copy trading, things like your signals. Many people who love those things. Many people who love the things of account management, all those funny stuff. Most people like that are people who are still at an unconscious competent level. They just want to make money, but most of them, they don't really want to know how the money was made. So they are still at level 3, which is still a limited level, because level 3, you might not have that consistency in the profits. You can see them, but the consistency is not really there. A solid consistency where you can literally say, week 1 I was profitable, week 2 I was profitable, week 3, week 4, week 5 I was profitable. So it's not really there, that consistency. That consistency, it only comes now when you level up to the next level, which is level 4. Level 4 is an interesting level now, because you are aware. You are totally aware of what's happening. You are totally aware of how to lose. You know how to lose, you know how to win. You are now at a level which we call the conscious competent level. The conscious competent level, or the conscious competent stage. This is a stage where you now know the markets to the dot. You know the markets, you know the basics, you also know the deeper things about the charts. To an extent that it's sort of like mostly impossible or difficult to lose. You know, when you now know how to lose and to win. So it gets more and more difficult and more difficult to lose, because you know how to lose and you also know how to win. So at that level, you are basically a dangerous trader, in the sense that you know what to do. You know what to do, you know what not to do. So at that level, the only thing that will block you from realizing consistency in profits maybe is your own indiscipline. Yet you know what to do, you know what not to do. So the only things that might be blockages at that level are maybe indiscipline, sometimes improper risk management, those funny small things, greed, being greedy. You actually know that right now I must come out, but you don't come out. So those people are at level 4. You are aware. You know that when the market does like this, it's going up. When the market does like this, we are going down. You know that this is where we enter, this is where we exit. When it does like this, we enter. When it does like that. So at that level, you are at a conscious, competent level. That's a very beautiful level. Most people that are profitable currently in the industry, the profitable ones, those are less than 10%, obviously. They are there on level 4. Then now there's only, I can say, on level 5, which is also now a very interesting level. Level 5 now, most people, they are not aware of level 5. Because it's actually a level which I can say very few, even 1%, I think it's only 1% of traders that I've seen, personally, that are sort of like operating in level 5. Level 5 is what we call the superconscious competent level. The superconscious competent level, this is a level that is so interesting in the sense that it's now beyond you being conscious of what is happening. You know how to win, you know how to lose. But now there is a sixth sense that is now involved even in your articulation of the chart. There at that level, how you analyze you are now analyzing with ease. Even you are taking trades with ease. You make money with ease. It's no longer hard or difficult to make money at that level. Because the superconscious competent level, this is a level now where your whole mind, every cell of your body, it now has the knowledge about the charts that you are now having. Remember, if you look at level 3, level 4, the knowledge is still in your conscious brain. You still need to actively sweat in order for you to make the money. But now level 5 is interesting in the sense that the knowledge is now in you. You now have it. Even if we wake you at 12 midnight and say analyze this pair and take a trade, you can analyze it and take a trade immediately without even having to sweat or to worry, because you now know, and that information, your subconscious mind has stored that data. So that is a very interesting level, because level 5, all I can say about level 5 is level 5, mostly the data has been fully stored in your cells, it has been fully stored in your subconscious mind, and also the intuition, which is the sixth sense now, it's actually more active there at level 5, because there you know what is right, you know what is wrong on the charts. So there your intuition is more awake. You know now when it's time to go up, you know, now when it's time to go down, you actually know. Even before you take any trade, you can feel you feel it that this one will win, this one will not win. You actually feel it. That's a very, very, very crazy level. Very few people I have seen, there are very few people that I've seen that are on that level. Personally, myself, I'm on that level. That's why I'm talking like this. But very few I have seen are actually on that level, because it's a very interesting level, very interesting. So these are some of the 5 stages or 5 levels that you encounter in your trading journey. And some of you were not aware which level you were at, but now I believe you're actually aware. All you need to level up to the next level is just knowing what level you are on, and knowing the things that you have to deal with in order to pass to the next level. So that is it for this video. I'm done, and make sure you subscribe, you like the video, comment in the comment section what you think about these 5 levels or 5 stages, or you can even comment which level you actually think you are at, and you can even ask a question whereby, how do I level up? I'm on level 1, I'm on level 2, level 3, level 4. I want to jump to the next level. How do you? We will show you all those things. So guys, that's it. See you in the next video.